In this video, we're going to look at how to use auto pitch. Now, auto pitch allows you to transform your voice by correcting the pitch to a relevant key or chromatic scale. This means that you can sing and play in tune, or you can use it to create some really cool new sound effects. To use auto pitch, you'll need to turn on auto pitch. Then you'll need to select a key by holding down harmony and using the pitch slider. You'll notice the major keys are up the top and the minor keys are down below. I'm going to select chromatic, which is in the middle. You can adjust the amount the auto-tune affects the sound by holding down auto pitch and adjusting the formant slider. This will go between 0 and 100%. I'll show you what it sounds like at 50%. I was dreaming of the day. Let's try it at 100%. I was dreaming of the day. Now you can use the pitch and formant sliders to create even more sound effects. I was dreaming of the day. I hope you have fun exploring auto pitch.